do some unboxing. I'm going to do Wonho fan meetings today, which are basically like concerts. I made a sign. I don't know if it's backwards, but it says California Weenie. Weenie is his fandom name.
만날 수 있게 됐지만 그래도 보내겠다고 약속할게요.
Time check, it's like 11:30. Both Wonho fan meetings were super fun. I got to hang out with other international weenies and Monbebe from Atlanta and California. Like, the concerts were a mix of fan meetings plus concerts and some songs. They were really fun. Wonho's like the sweetest. He's so charming and funny, and it was really fun. I understood like 30 to 40% of what was being said, but I was like laughing and smiling throughout the whole thing, and it was so fun. These I don't even know if I already have, but I bought it anyway. Each one was like $8 to $10, and then this one was like $13. Not bad at all. Monsta X. Monsta X. I have the pink copy, but this was so pretty inside. I bought another copy. Of course, I got Myeongdong. Then I don't have this version of Astro's recent album, and I know I don't have this. Let's do one unboxing. Let's do this one. He's so pretty. Yay. Okay. I didn't know it was gonna be all Myeongdong. Yay. Oh, I am This was my favorite version. The hotel room. Okay, that's it. I'll open it up next time. I lied. Let's open Astro. Pretty. And the CD version I got Buzz. Yeah. Oh, I already saw it. Oh, pretty. Oh, so pretty. Where's Benny? Pretty. Okay, that's it for real. Do some unboxing. I got a free Monsta X poster because I bought this. Oh, pretty. Oh, Wonho's in here. Okay, let's see. Oh, cute. Cute. Oh, cute. Then I got vegan concealer. It's a Olive Young brand, I think. Thought I was only buying one, but I bought two. It's the darkest shade. Let's try. 2 bottles was like $20, which isn't that bad. Tell difference. Not bad. I always buy postcards and then shot glasses for relatives. Okay, let's unbox one of these. Okay. I got 3 of these, I swear. Myeongdong, yes. The reason I bought this album again because I knew it was going to come with a bunch of these. Pretty.
내게 내려와 상처는 마음을 안아줄 거야 눈을 감고 조금씩 너에게